Hello, class 12th. Chapter Environmental Issues. A case study of Delhi controlling vehicular air pollution. As you can see, with its very large population of vehicular traffic, Delhi leads the country in its level of air pollution. In case of Toronto, you can see mark on the green. Beijing and LA, it is up to the 100, but Delhi is having the red mark, most dangerous one. 25 times worse than what was expected. It is not only the case in 1 month or 2 months. Every time, due to the large number of vehicles, burning of the plants, overcrowded city, overpopulated city, that has resulted in this condition where living risk in case of Toronto is less than 10 but 150 times more, 14.3x in case of the Delhi. The people are suffering from the different type of the diseases. Farmers are burning their straws and causing from the nearby state a level of pollution in case of the Delhi. Automobiles are a major cause for atmospheric pollution, at least in the metro cities, but the smoke from the nearby state is also worsening the condition in case of the Delhi. As the number of vehicles increases on the street, this problem is now shifting to the other cities too. Crackers during the different festivals, which liberate a large amount of the smoke, are also one of the reasons. In the 1990s, Delhi ranked 4th among the 41st most polluted cities of the world. Air pollution problems in Delhi became so serious that a public interest litigation PIL was filed in the Supreme Court of India. After being censored very strongly by the Supreme Court under its directives, the government was asked to take within a specified time periods appropriate measures, including switching over the entire fleet of public transport, that is buses, from diesel to compressed natural gas CNG. All the buses of Delhi were converted to run on CNG by the end of 2002. Why CNG? Because it is better than diesel, cheaper, can't be stolen by anyone. CNG burns most efficiently, unlike petrol or diesel in the automobiles, and very little of it's left unburned. Moreover, CNG is cheaper than petrol or diesel. The main problem with switching over to CNG is the difficulty of laying down pipelines to deliver CNG through distribution points, pumps, and ensuring uninterrupted supply. Simultaneously, parallel steps taken in Delhi for reducing vehicular pollution include phasing steps taken in Delhi for reducing vehicular pollution. The old vehicles are being removed. Use of unleaded petrol, use of low sulfur petrol and diesel, use of catalytic converters in vehicles, application of stringent pollution level norms for vehicles, etc. The Government of India, through a new auto fuel policy, has laid out a roadmap to cut down vehicular pollution in Indian cities. Most stringent norms of fuels means steadily reducing the sulfur and aromatic content in petrol and diesel fuels. Euro 3rd norms, for example, stipulate that sulfur be controlled at 350 parts per million in diesel and 150 parts per million in petrol. The goal, according to the roadmap, is to reduce sulfur to 50 parts per million in petrol and diesel and bring down the level to 35%. Mass emission standards, Bharat Stage 2, which is equivalent to Euro 2 norms, are no more applicable in any of the cities of India. Nowadays, Bharat Stage 6 is going to be affected. Thanks to the efforts made, the quality of Delhi has significantly improved. According to an estimate, a substantial fall in CO2 and SO2 level has been found in Delhi between 1997 and 2005.